Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden decoration ideas. Stylish, different color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Wooden ideas, wooden decoration ideas, beautiful light and dark color wooden uses you can see in this my video. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas. You can decorate your room, your lounge, your lawn with beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas. Every design is different, every design is beautiful and trendy. Every design is different one another you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood, about decoration, about storage ideas, about furniture you can see in this my channel. Most useful designing ideas you can see in this my channel. See beautiful designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful wooden decoration ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com, Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful wooden decoration ideas online. These websites easily in very reasonable price. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas you can see. Latest uploading ideas, latest top 50 design and ideas you can see. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my collection. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Top 50 design and ideas. 50 beautiful designing ideas you can see. Give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.